Hello, my name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. Now, I don't know if this happens to you, but every so often I get abducted by aliens into a parallel universe where people don't test fit their glue-ups by dry clamping them into place. And just yesterday that happened to me. So I have these two pieces that I wanted to glue together, and I realized after the thing was completely smeared with glue that there was no good way to clamp them together. Even binder clips, clothes pegs, elastic bands, and tape were not a good solution. So what do you do in a case like that? Well, here's what I did, just thinking on my feet, inventing as I went along. I went upstairs. I turned on the latest episode of The Highland Woodworker. And while I watched it, I took the two work pieces and pinched them by hand together, moving up and down their length. And they were sliding around a little bit. And in fact, one of them is curved relative to the other one, so I let it belly out following its natural tensions, and continued to press them together where I wanted the glue line to not appear. And I just kept working it up and down like that. After a few minutes, it started to tack up, and then the two pieces stopped sliding past each other. And I continued doing this for about, let's call it 25 minutes, maybe half an hour. And then I put it down. Today's the next day. It seems to be glued the way I want it to be glued. Now, because one of them is bellied out, I'm going to plane it. And that'll be the test to see whether this worked. If the pieces survive planing, if they stay together firmly after planing, then I know that it will be a success. And I can tell you now that if you're watching this, it will have been a success. So that's it from me. Bye for now, and make some time for your passion. And if you can share it, even better.